Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Hafiza Amna Shabir. I am a level 1 teacher training student at Rehan School and a proud Hafiza of the Holy Quran. I am passionate about education, creativity and personal development. Today I would like to share my thoughts on an important topic that affects students, teachers and the future of education. Do schools kill creativity? The question, do schools kill creativity, has become one of the most important discussions in modern education. Schools play a vital role in shaping young minds, providing knowledge, discipline, and life skills. However, many educators or researchers believe that traditional education systems often fail to encourage creativity and imagination. Creativity is the ability to think differently, solve problems in unique ways, and express original ideas. Every child is naturally creative. Young children love asking questions, exploring new ideas, drawing, building, singing, dancing, and imagining endless possibilities. Unfortunately, as students move through traditional schooling, many begin to focus more on getting the right answer than discovering new ways of thinking. But one major reason is that many schools, examinations, grades, and memorizations, students are often rewarded for repeating information accurately rather than questioning it or thinking independently. This creates an environment where making mistakes is seen as failure instead of an opportunity to learn. However, creativity grows when students feel safe to experiment, take risks, and learn from their mistakes. Another challenge is that subjects like mathematics, science, and languages usually receive greater attention than creative fields such as art, music, drama, and design. While academic subjects are extremely important, creative subjects help students develop imagination, emotional intelligence, communication skills, collaboration, and innovation. A balanced education should value both academic excellence and creative expressions. Teachers also play a significant role in creativity. Inspiring teachers encourage students to ask questions, share opinions, participate in discussions, and solve real world problems. Classrooms that promote project based learning, teamwork, critical thinking, and hands on activities help students become more confident and creative. Technology has also opened new opportunities for creativity. Digital tools, artificial intelligence, online learning platforms, and multimedia resources allow students to create videos, presentations, animations, digital artwork, and innovative projects. When used responsibly, technology can enhance creativity rather than replace it. However, it would not be fair to say that all schools kill creativity. Many schools around the world are changing their teaching methods by encouraging innovation, collaboration, creative thinking, and student centered learning. These schools understand that success in the 21st century requires more than memorizing facts. It requires curiosity, communication, leadership, and most of the thinking is uh, students become more confident and creative. Sorry. Technology has also opened new opportunities for creativity. Digital tools, artificial intelligence, and online learning platforms. In conclusion, schools do not have to kill creativity. Instead, they should become places where creativity and knowledge grow together. Education should prepare students not only to pass exams but also to become thinkers, innovators, creators, and responsible citizens. By encouraging imagination, supporting um, diverse talents, and creating positive learning environments. Schools can inspire every student to discover their unique potential. and make a meaningful contribution to society. Thank you all for your time, attention, and patience. I hope this discussion has encouraged you to think about the importance of creativity in education and how schools can help every student discover their unique potential. I truly believe that when knowledge is combined with creativity, students become confident learners, innovative thinkers, and responsible individuals who can make positive impact on the world. It was a pleasure sharing my thoughts with you. Thank you once again for listening, and I hope you found this presentation informative, meaningful, and inspiring. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanillah.